Want to make your video sound like they're being narrated by Santa Claus? CapCut Mobile includes fun voice effects that can transform a normal voice into a festive holiday character voice. To get started, open your project and import a video with spoken audio. Next, tap the audio track and select voiced effects. Browse through the available voiced effect and look for Santa Claus or a similar holiday-themed voice. Once you find it, tap the effect to preview how it sounds. If you like the result, apply the effect to your audio. You'll instantly hear a deeper, more cheerful voice that's perfect for Christmas greetings, holiday skits, and festive social media content. Play the video back to make sure the effect matches the style you're going for. When you're satisfied with the result, export your project. And that's how to add Santa Claus voice in CapCut Mobile. It's a fun way to make holiday content more entertaining and memorable.